Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back. Are you ready to kickstart your school year off with a healthy and organized start? Well, look no further. Shop these upcoming Aldi Finds. Now let's get started. First up, we have the home goods section. Our first item is the Huntington Home 16 Cubby Organizer. It comes in beige or gray for $19.99. The next item is the Joie Divided Organizer. It comes in black, beige, burnt orange, or green, and it does have 6 sections for only $4.99. And the last item in this section is the Work Zone Cord Organizers. It comes in many different colors and many different kind of straps to organize, and they're only $4.99. And now we're moving into the Household Essentials section. First up, we have the Ambiano cordless electric spin scrubber, only $19.99. We have the Ambiano handheld steam cleaner, and that's $19.99 as well. The Arm& Hammer Clean Burst Detergent, 15 ounces for only $5.79. We also have the Arm& Hammer Scent Booster Odor Blaster or Purifying Waters. Comes in a 24-ounce package for only $5.19. The Easy Home Expandable Cleaning Tools, you can get it in black or blue for only $4.99. We have the Huntington Home Painted Metal Trash Can. It comes in gray or white painted metal, only $24.99. We also have the Joie Deep Cleaning Brush. You can get the Precision Brush, Scrub Brush, or Utility Brush, only $1.99. We also have the OxyClean Odor Blasters for $8.79 for 3 pounds. And the last item in this section is the Windex Glass Cleaner, only $3.48. And now we're moving into the kitchen section. First up, we have the Ambiano electric glass kettle. It comes in 2 different colors and it's only $18.99. We have the Crofton 10-piece food storage set. It includes 5 containers and 5 latching lids, and they're only $12.99. We have the Crofton 3-pack rotating lock containers, $12.99. We also have the Crofton 64-ounce wide mouth chugger. It comes in 3 different colors. It's made for hot or cold beverages for only $12.99. The Easy Home plastic fridge liners. They are great to line the cabinets, fridge bins, and under the sink, and they're only $3.99. We have the Huntington Home 4-pack bar mop towels or 4-pack scrubber dishcloths. They're available in several different colors, and they are only $2.99. We have the Huntington Home bottle storage or drawer, only $9.99. We have the Huntington Home Kitchen Drawer Organizer. It is a 4-piece set and it's $6.99. The Huntington Home Premium Pantry Baskets, you can choose from large, 2-pack stacking, or 2-pack narrow baskets, only $6.99. And the last item in this section is the Joie Handy Household Helpers. We have bag clips, bag ties, locking scissors, magnifying glass, retractable blade, or cabinet hooks for only $3.99. And now we're heading into the decor section. First up, we have the Huntington Home 14-ounce candle. It does come in several different scents, and it's only $4.49. We have the Huntington Home 3-foot by 5-foot washable play rug. It does come in 4 different cute designs, and it's only $19.99. We have the Huntington Home Washable Kitchen Accent Rug. It does come in 4 different designs. It is 20 by 34 and it's machine washable and it's only $7.99. And the last item in this section is the Soul Furniture Accent Cabinet. It does come in white and it's only $69.99. And now we're heading in the outdoor living and garden section. We do just have 2 items here, and it is the 2.5-inch Lucky Bamboo. It comes in 3 different pot designs, and it's only $6.49 each. And the other item is the Fresh Flower Bouquet, assorted varieties for $4.99. And now we're moving into the apparel section. We have two items here. First up, it's the Crane Ladies Sustainable Platform Slides. They come in tan, navy, or olive, and they're only $8.99 each. The other item is the Crane Men's or Ladies Compression Socks, only $4.99. And now we're heading into the kids and baby section. And guess what? We have two items here as well. We're going to start with the Bluey Starter Pack. It is inspired by the Bluey TV episode, and they are only $3.99 each. And the other item is the Squishmallows Clip-Ons. They are only $4.99. And now we're moving into the health and beauty section. First up, we have the Easy Home Foldable Reacher. It extends your reach an extra 32 inches, and it's only $6.99. We have the Easy Home Safety Grip Bars, only $9.99. Next, we have the Visage 3-pack reading glasses. It's available in men's and women for only $6.99. We also have the Visage recycled hair accessories. They have hair clips, hair elastics, 3-pack clips, and scrunchies for only $2.99. We also have the Visage vented hairbrush. It comes in cream, olive, or lavender for only $2.99. The Wellbe blood pressure monitor for upper arm is only $24.99. And we have the Wellbe memory foam knee cushion or any position pillow, only $9.99. And the last item in this section is the Wellbe pill split crush, the box, keychain, or planner for only $3.99. And now we're heading into the school and office supply section. First up, we have the Easy Home Mini Sewing Kit. We have several different kits, and it's only $4.99. We have the Pembroke All Occasion cards. They are only 99 cents each. And friends, my teacher friends, the Pembroke Teacher Planner is out. Go get yours now before they're gone, and they're only $6.99. And now we're moving into the travel section. We do just have one item here, and it is the Live in Style recycled material crossbody bag. It does come in 4 different colors, and they're only $6.99 each. Now we're heading into the beverage section. First up, we have the Barissimo Energy Coffee. It comes in 2 different flavors for only $2.49 each. We have the Barissimo High Voltage Coffee for $4.99 for 12 ounces. We have the Barissimo Whole Bean Coffee Espresso or Crema for only $5.99 for 16 ounces. And we have the Benner Peach Iced Tea, only $4.99 for a 12-pack. We also have the Campbell's V8 Fusion and Energy assorted varieties for $5.14, and that is a 6-pack. We have the Elevation RTD Protein Shake Cafe Latte or Caramel for $6.59. And we have the Evolution Fresh Super Berry or Tropical Citrus Energy, $3.49 for 11 ounces. We have the NOT Bubble Tea assorted varieties for $2.49 each. And the last item in this section, my friends, is the Propel Fitness Water 12-pack, only $8.99. And now we're heading into the bakery and bread section. First up, we have the Bake Shop assorted donut holes. Please note they are not available in all locations, and they're only $3.19. We also have the Bake Shop mini cinnamon rolls for $4.29. We have the Love and Fresh Sweet Oob, I think that's how you say that, Oob bread for $3.99. And we have the specially selected croissant buns, only $3.99. The specially selected filled croissant cream cheese or raspberry, $3.99 as well. And the last item in this section is the specially selected mini muffins, triple chocolate or strawberry for only $4.29. And now, friends, we're heading into the snacks section. First up, it's the Dove chocolate milk or dark chocolate for only $3.65. We also have the Fuchsia Asian Inspiration Crunch rice rolls. Please note, not available in all locations, only $2.29. We have the Nature Valley muffin bars, apple cinnamon, blueberry, or chocolate chip for only $3.39 and you get 5 bars. And the last item in this section is the Southern Grove glazed almonds, cocoa glazed or glazed donut for only $3.69. Now let's head into the deli section. First up, we have the Mama Cosie's Kitchen egg or chorizo breakfast deli pizza for only $5.99. We have the Park Street Deli cheese or jalapeno colachas. I'm not sure how you say that. For $6.49. We have the Park Street Deli chili lime or orange ginger pork bites for $6.99. And the last item in this section, my friends, is the Park Street gochujang sriracha or teriyaki hummus, and it's only $1.99 each. And now we're heading into the frozen section. First up, we have the breakfast best sausage or bacon, egg, cheese, and potato breakfast burritos. Image is not available and they're only $7.49. We have the Fusia Asian Inspiration beef and broccoli or beef lo mein for only $6.49. And we have the Fusia Asian Inspiration chicken or beef mandu. Image is not available and that is $6.89. We also have the Fusia Asian Inspiration frozen kimbap, $3.99. Image is not available. And we have the Fuchsia Asian Inspirations mini wonton pork or chicken for only $6.89. We also have the Fuchsia Asian Inspiration pork or chicken kimchi pot stickers, $3.49. And we have the Fuchsia Asian Inspiration sweet and sour chicken, $7.49. We have the Fuchsia Asian Inspiration Sweet Teriyaki or Sesame Ginger Chicken Skillet for only $5.99. And we have the Fuchsia Asian Inspirations Szechuan or Sweet and Sour Stir Fry for only $2.99. We have the Journey to India Butter Chicken, $6.49. And the last item in the frozen section is my mochi ice cream assorted varieties for only $4.69. Now we're heading into the fresh meat and seafood section. We do just have one item here, and it is the Asian sesame salmon on a cedar plank. It's $9.99 per pound, and it does come in random weights. And now we're moving into the last section for the day, and that is the Pantry Essentials section. First up, we have the Fourth and Heart Himalayan Salt or Garlic G, only $9.99. We have the Annie Chun's Noodle Bowls assorted varieties, only $2.98. We have the Bakken's Chinese barbecue sauce for $8.78. And we have the Berman's Asian sauces assorted varieties. Image is not available, only $2.89 for 14 ounces. We have the Chef Wu Braised Beef Ramen Cup. Image is not available and it's $1.49 each. We also have the Chef Wu Roasted Chicken Ramen Cup for $1.49. And the next item is the Earthy Grains Street Food Ready to Serve Rice Assorted Varieties for only $1.49 a bag. We have the Fusia Asian Inspiration Ramen or Po noodles for $2.49. We have the Jiffy Pancake Mix for $2.99. We have the Sam Yang a Baldak Spicy Chicken Ramen. Please note this is not available in all locations and it is $6.49. The Simply Nature Ready to Serve Organic Jasmine or Basmati Rice for only $2.29. And the last item, friends, for today is the Tuscan Garden Wonton Strips, and they are only $1.49. From Aldi's website, items are available while quantities last. Items are limited and may not be available in all stores. There may be a limit on quantities sold. Prices and labels may vary by location. Aldi is not responsible for printing or typographical errors. Mama Needs a Goal's disclaimer. Mama Needs a Goal is not associated, affiliated, or sponsored by Aldi. I am just a consumer who is sharing her love of Aldi by reposting the Aldi Finds. I am not responsible for printing, voiceover, or typographical errors. So friends, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that little subscribe button as it truly, truly, truly helps me out. Also, please consider checking me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am available on all those social media sites as well. So, friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next week with more Aldi Finds. Bye.